The only undefeated side left in Group C, Turkey travelled to the Olympic Stadium in Sarajevo and a clash with Bosnia-Herzegovina side intent on causing an upset. But it was the visitors that went ahead on 13 minutes through striker Hakan Suka, the veteran adding a fifth goal in qualifying to the 4 he scored against Moldova, his 51st goal for his country. However, the hosts were back on level terms 14 minutes later. Parma striker Zlatan Muslimovic springing the offside trap to inherit Zvezdan Misimovic's clever pass. Sabri Sarayoglu regave the visitors the lead in the 39th minute, Turkey hitting devastatingly on the fast break. Ada providing the final ball. But Fuad Musarovic's side refused to lie down and equalised again in first half stoppage time, when Vedin Music's long ball picked out Aldan Zidic, who hit an unstoppable drive past Rustu Rekbar in the Turkey goal, earning a record 114th cap for the red shirts. The game seemed destined to end in a draw when substitute Adnan Tsutsovic nodded home from close range in the final minute to give the home side a famous win. Victory for Greece sees Turkey drop to second in Group C, while Bosnia-Herzegovina keep their slender hopes of qualifying alive in third place.